Continuing on with the aerial, and I'm just making the choke here, 5 turns, and plastic for mounting everything on. I'll put some insulating tape around here, and then I should be able to do some soldering and probably do a test. And yeah, it's coming on. It's not the easiest task to do, but making scrap materials, but using scrap materials to make this aerial. But yeah, quite pleased with it so far. And I'll just put a cable tie there, I think. Drill it, put a cable tie in, hold that cable. Yeah, I'll do that next actually. The radials are still up here. I made them a tighter fit in the ends by inserting some bushing in, which is brass bushing, which is very, very thin like shim metal, and I wrapped it round. And what I can do is, once I've got it, the SWR set how I want it, I could probably put a double solder on these to stop them sliding, to make a good electrical connection. Sorry, the bench is in a right mess, and the garage. And but yeah, I'm a messy worker the best of times. Okay, I'm in the house because it's so cold. And hopefully you can see my aerial now. And while I'm holding it up, the SWR is at 142, is 1.89 to 1, and this is the band. You can see it, it's from 140 to 149, and I can tune it by sliding the ends in and out. And that one's out. I'm supposed to do the same each end. And what I'll try and do, I'll try and get a screen capture. This is it laying on the table, and it's about 2 feet off the ground. And what happens if I hold it vertical? Yeah, it changes. But you know, when it's up mounted on a pole, it'll be completely different to what I'm reading now. Okay, I've done 2 screen captures, one of it with it just laying on the table, one holding it up in the air to about this height, which is about level with my face, inside the bungalow. Now I'm going to do the 70 centimetre band, and I'll have to just double check what frequencies I should be aiming for. Okay, so I've now got it fully extended, and it's just laying on the table, and at 441 megahertz it's 1.295. That's at 443.8 megahertz is 1.1. 445.8, 1.292. I'll go over here. At 439.8 it's 1.5. But that's just sitting on the table. So I lift it up. Well, let me do a screen capture on that first. Get my phone. recapture. It's not recapturing. I don't know what's going on. Hang on, let me reconnect. Sorry, I'm trying to do this on my own. It's not easy. Now, if I can hold it up. Let's hold it up. See if I can recapture. Apologies, I'm trying to do this on my own. I'm also waiting for the Sweeney to start on television, because it's one of my favourite programmes. Okay. This is plastic sheet, two layers of it glued together. Piece of wooden curtain rail with a coil wound around it. This is just to stop any back EMF coming down the line. And yeah, when I get this set up on a pole and above ground on a tripod, I'll be able to probably do this all again, so you've got a better idea. Jane's in the other room, so she's not available to give me a hand. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.